Hey y'all, it's Mississippi Memaw, holiday guide here. So today we're gonna wash the stink off. I'm gonna show you her products here, but at the end I'm gonna post my field trip video. So y'all can watch and see how it's made if you want to. This is some goodness gracious sunshine hand wash. She has goat soap, bar soap, this is Gritter Done, and this is Marksman. One of my personal favorites is Bonafide. And this is lemongrass and turmeric. But listen, I'm going to attach my video here so y'all can see the process it takes of making this goat soap. And it is not an easy process. She puts a lot of love into making this.
Hey y'all come on here with Memaw. We're going to make some stuff that you can't find at the dollar holler. Grab a mold and let's roll on. You ain't really gonna grab it, I just kick it.
How do I get it now?
He's full of Earl. Yep. You strong? Let's see how strong you is. Goat milk. We've got bentonite clay. We've got mica. We've got fragrance. Let me get. Alright, Memaw. This kind of stirred up.
Oh, I thought she was going to handle this yarn.
No. It's a battery operated buddy. We add this fragrance and things will start to solidify. Okay?
Okay.
Bentonite clay is good for absorbing oils and such off your skin. This is the smelly good. Come on with it. Yeah. Now we're going to put Big John back together and we're going to let you zap it. Mash the trigger and press the top. We're going to make what's called an in the pot swirl.
Am I going too fast?
Nope. And actually, I think we got one mold a little fuller than the other one. I got lye on my hands. Hang on a minute.
I think this one's fuller than that.
Press out just a little bit. There we go. Now, we just do this. Turn the spoon different ways. We'll make a little bitty.
Is that the dish soap?
Nope. This is what I call a misfit.
Oh. Yeah, I gotta wash the stink off.
Didn't you already do it?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
okay.
she made the stuff to wash the stink off. She ain't.
Yeah.
But yeah, so you used to be a school bus driver.
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Yep.
That's how you make it big in Mississippi online. Drive a bus and then.
You gotta, you gotta, to make it big in Mississippi, you gotta be a school bus driver, and then you gotta learn how to talk into a phone.
Then you gotta have a southern accent. Well,
You
I
gotta-
mean, you don't have to, but
You
it
gotta
helps.
sound like cornbread.
Yeah. So if you think my accent's fake, try Jessie's.